Vehicle introduction. The vehicle is made up of the chassis and the loading tank. This is a generator. This is a power takeoff. This is a lifting screw conveyor pipe.
This is a vertical screw conveyor pipe.
This is a horizontal screw conveyor pipe. This is the electrical control box, and this is the feed inlet. This is a voltmeter. The voltage must be stable at 380 volts. This is the frequency table. The frequency must be maintained at 50 Hz. This is the horizontal screw conveyor ammeter, vertical screw conveyor ammeter, and the lifting screw conveyor ammeter, with a rated working current within 14 amperes. After the device is started, the horizontal screw conveyor indicator light, vertical screw conveyor indicator light, lifting screw conveyor indicator light will be turned on. This is a knob for external and self-generating electricity conversion. This is the knob for phase sequence conversion. If the phase sequence is correct, the phase sequence indicator will light up. This is the knob that controls the rise and fall of the screw conveyor. This is the knob that controls the direction of the outlet. This is the knob for switching between manual and remote control. When the vehicle meets the starting conditions, first turn on the lifting screw conveyor, then the vertical screw conveyor, and finally the horizontal screw conveyor. Please pay attention to the voltmeter, frequency meter, and ammeter while running. Before using the vehicle, the ground rod must be inserted at least 400 millimeters into the ground. When entering the cab, first check whether the gear is in neutral. Step on the clutch, turn on the power takeoff, turn on the throttle, and put into gear, depending on the following modes. When the work is over, step on the clutch, put the gear position in neutral, and then return the throttle and power takeoff to the original position before starting the vehicle, or turning off the vehicle to stop. Toggle the switch to select manual or remote control mode. Operate through the manual panel or remote control handle. Start the screw conveyor according to the power on sequence, and move the lifting screw conveyor by adjusting the ascending, descending, turning left, right to move the lifting screw conveyor to make the outlet towards the target beam. The inlet can be unloaded when the target beam's inlet is aligned. If you need to use the external power supply mode, you need to put the shift level in neutral, put on the handbrake, open the distribution box, plug in the 3-phase power cord plug, and then perform the subsequent operations in order. After the no-load running is normal, open the compartment gate. At the beginning of loading, open the control handle to halfway. After the feeding is normal, adjust the flow speed through the control handle. When the unloading is finished, close the valve of the compartment, and then open the next compartment for unloading. When stop unloading, attention should be paid to the sequence of operations. Press the stop button of the horizontal screw conveyor first. Wait for a few seconds. Press the stop button of the vertical screw conveyor, and then press the stop button of the lifting screw conveyor when the lifting screw conveyor has no material output.